Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. After our successful pairing of the HMD Watch P1 with our Android smartphone, this time we are going to connect or pair it with our iPhone. So we will download the support app, set up the smartwatch, and pair it with our iPhone. So if you are interested to see on how to set up the HMD Watch P1 or how to connect it with our iPhone, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and connect our HMD Watch P1 with our iPhone. Let's reset this first. Okay, let's go to the settings here. We have the system, factory reset. Okay, the smartwatch restarted. And we have here the QR code. Okay, we can scan this one or we can search the HMD Watch app directly from the App Store. As you can see here, download the Watch app, the HMD Watch app on your phone from Google Play Store or the App Store. Okay, so let's go directly with App Store. Let's search the apps. HMD Watch. Then search. And we have here the support app. Okay, to download the app, tap on Get. So let's wait for it. Once the download is completed, it will automatically install it in our iPhone. Alright, the download is now completed, as you can see here. So let's open the application. Tap on Open. HMD. Okay, let's wait. Connect on the go. Get started. As you can see here, it is asking for our location, so we'll allow while using the app. Then it's asking for the notifications, allow it. Okay, agree to these permissions here, including the privacy policy. Then what's your email ID? Okay, we'll use our account. We already have an account. And we'll use that to pair our or to log in the HMD Watch app. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we have successfully logged in and it's now asking for our phone number. So we'll not add our phone number right now. Okay, some of the features need phone number to work. We'll just skip this. Verification successful. Okay, we'll select the pair your device later. Let's check out the dashboard first. HMD Watch would like to use the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay. Then we have here the dashboard of the HMD. Okay, so we have here the home, the fitness, my watch, fit squad, and settings. To add your device, go to my watch. Then tap on pair your device. Let's see. Pair now. Okay, we only have two smartwatch here, the X1 and the P1. What we have is the P1. Okay, then select watch P1, continue. Okay, pair with Bluetooth. Let's see if it can check or scan our smartwatch. It's now looking for our wearable. Device not found. We'll reset our smartwatch again. Let's go to maybe it's still connected to our previous phone. System, factory reset. Okay. Then let's see, search again, and we have it here. Okay. To pair our smartwatch, tap on the P1 here, pair this device. Let's wait. Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Okay, allow the notification permission. And we have here, pairing successful. Connected. So your HMD Watch P1 is successfully paired. Let's wait. Reset in progress. Once the reset is complete, your watch will be paired automatically in progress. Okay? Okay, it may take a while. And seems like we are on the dashboard now. And we are connected. We have here the smartwatch. Okay, we have additional configuration. Let's wait for it. We have here the HMD Explorer, HMD Watch P1, my watch. Okay, let's wait. It is still synchronizing. Okay. Alright, seems like the synchronization is complete. So let's check. Okay, it's now downloading some configuration. Let's see. Okay, we are set. My watch. Watch settings, find my watch. Let's see. And it's now vibrating. Okay, stop. Okay, so we are connected. We have the Bluetooth calling here, call notification, sync contacts. Let's add a phone number. Add contacts. Okay, allow for the permission, save one contacts. Then let's check. Call, phone book, and we have it here. Okay, so we are paired properly with the HMD Watch application. The last one, let's change the watch face, and we are all set. Okay, my creation default. So where are the collection? Cloud. So we have here some watch faces. Let's try to download this one. Update on watch. Let's wait. It's now downloading, as you can see here. So it may take up to 2 minutes. It's a bit slow compared to other wearables here. Let's wait. It's almost finished here. And okay, and we have here our new watch face. So that's it for the tutorial on how to pair or connect your HMD Watch P1 smartwatch with an iPhone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the pairing, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.